Hello guys, good morning to all of you. Hope you all are well. In this video, I will share with you a very important informations. There is reopening for seasonal work permit from Italy. So guys, as you know, many European countries always hiring for farming jobs. This is very important to know that now after COVID-19 the country survived so much. Still they are opening, they want to hiring foreign workers for their harvest workings. So guys, if you have a dream to move in European country or you want to move abroad with a job, hope this is a golden chance, don't miss it. And if you are already working in harvest working in any countries, of course it will be a good chance for you and you can get easily this job. So guys, this is a recent seasonal work permit visa process from Italy. If you want to move, you can process as soon as possible. So before that, you should know what is the requirements to apply for this job and how to apply. Everything details I will explain in this video, so keep watching this video to the end and let's know what is the requirements to apply for this job. As you can see here, Italy seasonal and non-seasonal workers requirement for 2020. Italy recently enacted the manual annual decree setting for the quotes for 2020 that apply for different categories as foreign workers in Italy. There is no, as the Dr. Lucy explains in details, all numerical limits for each category of work citizen permitted to enter Italy with a relevant work permit. The decree provides for 12,850 units allocated for foreign citizens who belong to the several specified categories. Applications are being accepted for non-seasonal workers, self-employed individuals, and conversion of residence permit with possible expectations for seasonal workers. So this is a recent job openings and I hope it will be a great pleasure for you. You can get a chance to move Europe with a job. So seasonal visas, as you can see here, the date of receipt 2020 opening dates for seasonal visas. For non-seasonal visa applications can be sent from 9 a.m. on 27 October on next. Pre-completion of application forms and the deadline for sending. So guys, from October 13 onwards you can send your documents in the websites. And as you can see here, eligibility countries for seasonal visas here. So from which country you can apply listed below. You can see the following non-European Union countries candidates are eligible to apply under declared process seasonal visas. As you can see here, many countries: Albania, Algeria, Bangladesh, Bosnia, Korea, Ivory Coast, Egypt, Lebanon, Ethiopia, Philippines, India, Ghana, Japan, India, Kosovo, Mali. Many countries listed in this list. So from these countries, if you are belongs to these countries, the listed countries, you can apply as soon as possible as per the following process. Non-seasonal workers, self-employed individuals, and conversions of permits of stay. The decree provides 12,850 units allocated for foreign citizens who belongs to the following categories. So let me tell you what is the criteria you should meet to apply for this job. 100 units for non-European nationals residents abroad who have completed specific training programs in their home countries according to the Article 23 of AGS 25 July 1998. 100 units of subordinate non-seasonal work and self-employment work for nationals who have Italian origins, at least from one parent and resident in Venezuela. So guys, this is some conditions and some criteria you should meet. So my sincere request, all information is available in the descriptions below. Please go to the descriptions below this video. and please read all information, because if I will explain all details the video will be long. So my intention to share with you the job openings and the applying process. After all, you have to collect this information from the descriptions and you have to read it carefully and need to apply within the time limit. So guys, I hope this information will be helpful for your careers. Again, I would like to tell you, this is a very important information. Recent job openings from Italy for a harvest working for farming works, and it's a seasonal work permit visa process. If you want to move, please collect this information, read all informations, how to apply, what is the country listed, from which country you can apply, and some criteria you should meet. You should have the skills to apply for this job. So guys, hope it will be a great helpful for your careers. If you are searching for an abroad job, please apply as soon as possible. The process, the interview, the visa process will be starts after you applying. You will get a notifications if your CV will be utilized to attend the interview. Once you getting success from the interview, they will guide you, they will instruct you which time you have to start the process. So first of all, you need to apply in the proper process, then you can get all updates from the employer to move for the job. So guys, please share this information to your friends and relatives. Of course, it will be available information for all of job seekers, and hope you all guys use this information to build your career in Italy, and I hope you will get a chance to move Italy with a job. So best of luck and lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. In the next video, I will try to give you the informations for recent job openings from other countries. Up to that, stay with me. God bless you. Bye bye.